My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called XFUN. XFUN is a ransomware that may attack many Windows computers all over the world. This XFUN ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner, so it is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you are definitely able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this XFUN ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends a special extension to the file names, and as a consequence, it is just impossible to use the data anymore. And then, after the files get encrypted, the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Very soon you will see the consequences of the ransomware's attack. So as I said, this is what happens. The ransomware appends this XFUN extension, and it also reveals this ransom note. The ransom note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery, supposedly, but I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. Instead, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to the site combocleaner.com. You might need to use your Internet Explorer browser, by the way, if you cannot use your regular browser. But anyway, whatever browser you use, go to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software through the official site combocleaner.com, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and the software would first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. This is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.